Hey guys, welcome back. I want to do an unboxing for Journals for Life. I just got their very first new, like everyday kind of kit. It's a subscription kit. And this one is called Avocado Toast. And let me show you the mood board really quick. I think it's an awesome mood board for January. Here is our mood board, which is full of these great greens and punches of corally orangey red and yellow and all the good things. So here's our mood board. And when I say I'm now on the design team, so I am super lucky and honored that they picked me up. Let me show you a couple things I got from the store, and then I'll show you the subscription kit. First thing, this was on sale. I'm like, okay, I've got to try it out. It's by Artisa, and it is a little pen. I wanted to see how it feels. Oh, very nice. Very, very nice. Okay, got myself a new traveler's notebook pen, which is always fun. Then, but wait, I got something else. I have wanted a round stamp block since the dawn of time. And the reason why is of course it's really easy to hold, but I also think that you could do some really great designs with putting mixed media on this and making circly bits on your projects. So got that. It's got this really nice ridge right here. It's yes, quite pleasant to hold and nice and sturdy. Okay, got that. All right, let's get into the Traveler's Notebook Kit. Comes in a really nice sturdy package. My address is on the other side. So, but yeah, it's got like lumpy stuff and all that. So really nice sturdy packaging. I have to sneeze. Excuse me. Okay, now let's get into the kit. Now, I do love that she packages them in these individual little bags with a little slider so you can take them on the go with you. Let me get rid of some of that glare. Okay, so something rather cool is that, okay, you get a traveler's notebook with each of these. Let me get my goodies out. You get a traveler's notebook with each of them, but wait, I haven't been able to look at this yet because I was waiting to do it with you. Little bag. But they are pre-printed this time. Okay, let's go over the printing because I really wanted to see it. Okay, so really nice design. It looks like wood grain with herringbone, and there's a label right here, all set and good to go. And it's a really nice, smooth finish. So awesome. So first page, we have like 3/4 of a sheet of this gorgeous kind of a jade tone, and it's white up top. Oh, so this is the same as the cover, the same print. We've got a really, really nice grid here. And it's black with a little bit of gray, and it's kind of like graph paper meets plaid. So that's kind of awesome. I have one of these like office chairs that goes way up high. I had to get it up higher. Really nice, just graph paper, charcoal color here. This is in black, Ways to My Heart. And it looks like it's just like sketchy drawn. Buy me food, make me food, be food. That's cute. Ooh, so this is a really nice like park bench green swirly bits. And we've got a plain white. Oh, this is nice. So this is, it's like maybe a brick red. It's going into tomato soup color. This is gorgeous. It's like jadeite, but it's kind of variegated. Oh, white with a little black polka dots. Nice watercolor. We Are Better Together. It's really gorgeous green tones. Ooh, look at this. This is like turquoise with a nice navy color. This is more of a cantaloupe kind of a tone. Oh, here's our avocados, and it's pretty awesome look. So it almost looks like there's like vellum on top and stitching. That is going to be fun to play with. And a nice repeating grid kind of pattern. Black and white polka dots again. So super gorgeous lemon yellow with rise and shine. That will work for coffee stuff. Keep calm, make toast. Quite profound. And a gorgeous pattern here reminds me of old school wallpaper. Cute. So this is the same as the cover again here. And we've got some nice scallop designs here in green and yellow. Oh, it looks like 2 tags. That is awesome. That is fun. This reads, do what you love and you will inspire and awaken the hearts of others. How great is that, just to decorate it? This is fun. All right, so really nice aqua, and it has like little lines through it. We've got some avos here. Oh, so like a double page spread kind of dealio with tone on tone peach. So this is yellow of the yellows, like absolutely like bold mustard yellow. You make me happy. Look at how cool it'd be. I'm going to show you this in a second, but you just break it up with that and it's like becomes awesome. Okay, such a beautiful picture. Clearly you can put a picture there. Our beautiful life, this wonderful life. I've got a tone on tone, and this is going more into a coral vibe. So guys, this is a grid, right? Like graph paper, but you also have black and white on it. Or it's, you know, white background with black, and it reminds me of dice for some reason. We have a plain, we've got a black, and then it finishes with graph paper. So super cool TN right here, awesome. We have a big old tag with a reinforced bit. That will be fun to play with. Let's see what else to show you. I'm trying to show you everything because I'm excited. Okay. We've got some stickers. Ooh, and they're smooth. They're super smooth and they are clear. So there's toast, all kinds of hearts, little avo pieces cut. We've got a nice frosty drink. This is in a mason jar. So super, super cute. Very usable. Love the citrus touches as well. Then let's see what our stamp looks like. And the stamps come in this really nice packaging. That is, yeah, it's very nice, and you can have them all lined up as you go. So I will start working when my coffee does. Eating, eat, menu, good food, good mood, yum in the tum, a nice little plate, a hot cup of brew, fun, tea time, and then we've got this gorgeous little coffee cup. So cute. So cute stamps. Then let's see. Oh, we've got a washi. So these usually will come with a washi. I don't know if they always have, but I think that's the way the verbiage went. Now, I also know that the owner does sketches for the TNs. So it's kind of fun because you can follow along with a sketch and, you know, can kick it off and then you can just roll with it. So for the time being, I'm going to be playing along with the sketches because I adore sketches. All right, let's see if I can find the end so I can show you. Here it is. I have found an end. So I can show you the Traveler's Notebook. Not the Traveler's Notebook. I'm showing you the washi. Guys, look at that washi. Oh, that's so cool. Super cool washi. Awesome. Next. Oh, so there's a little glassine bag, and I see sequins and I see toast. Let's see what we're going to get with that. And then I will show you how I like to store my Traveler's Notebook stuff for the month that I'm working on it. Because why not? Okay, I'm going to first pour this into my little tray here. This little tray I got at a picnic or at like a backyard barbecue. I think you're supposed to put ketchup and stuff in it. So there's little avocado pieces, little toast pieces, and we've got iridescent goodies. Really cute. Makes me want to do a shaker pocket like big time with that. So I will go ahead and just put that right into my little dollar store tray here. And I don't know if I'll be able to get all those pieces out. Glassine bags, also fun to use in your TN. So I just have to get that little staple out. We'll do that later. So I'll put that underneath. Super cute. And then finally, we've got the die cuts. And I'm wondering, is it best to show you them on here? Maybe? I think, maybe. Okay, we'll see how it goes. Not very glary. So, and I will show you all of these pretties. I've got one extra little heart there. And I will save this packaging in case I don't use up all the things, but I think I will. All right, so we have a gorgeous floral with those jadeite colors. This Good Life. That is so pretty. I love the blue on the top. Reads, Reasons to Love Life. Oh, we've got some toast. We've got the word eat. That looks cute, layered like that. We have got a mug with some whipped cream on it. A cute donut. Such a beautiful picture. That is a great little banner piece. Our Beautiful Life. Watercolor Avo, guys. And this piece comes out. Oh, that's cute. That is so cute. This is a flower, but there is the earth on the center. Gorgeous butterfly. See some more toast in here. Come on, little toasties. More toast. The word food. Another butterfly, but this is more of like a pea soup color or avocado color, actually. A cup of joe or a cup of tea. We are here. These happy times. And I like it that there's a little line there. You can write something or stamp something. Milk. Look at this to-go coffee mug. Oh, but wait, there's more. Oh, and guys, when you go to place your order, put Shannon20 in where the coupon code goes and you get 20% off your order. Okay, a bunch of cute little hearts. I've got a nice little smattering of them right here, so you can have them on lots of pages. Oh, here's another one. I love that they're watercolory. Another donut. What does it, oops, that ended. This is our life. Cup of something hot and happy with little hearts. A toaster. Another little to-go mug. Not really a mug, it's a cup. One with an icy drink and a straw. Polaroid camera. That is a carafe of brew. Happy times. There is a cup of looks like coffee. We are here. Nice little spot with a fishtail banner tag in the middle. Life is sweet. Cute little mason jar. Look at the little strawberry looking hearts. We have yum. We have good. Another one of those floral pieces. I love the florals. Cute little coffee cup. We are here in another tone. Happy times. Nice cold brew drink there. Love always. And a plate of bacon and eggs. Okay, so next thing to show you. I'm going to go ahead and put them in here. And then what I do is in my middle bit here, I will stack up inks that go with this. And the owner of Journals for Life will have ink suggestions. She'll have ink color suggestions, which is super cool. And oh, and then there's freebie labels you can print. And what I did, because I don't have a color printer, or like at least I have one, but I haven't printed anything in color in it in like 10 years. I went ahead and just sent them to Staples, and they're going to be done today. Sent them last night. So I've got all of these great bits, and I just stack them all up in my holder. And when I want to create, I have all my goodies on standby. I think it's, ooh, I want to put my new stamp block in there too. And I'll get my stamp colors out and I'll be ready for business. So I will have links down below for the Facebook group and for the store. And remember, if you use Shannon20, you get 20% off your goodies in the store. So I think that's it for today. If you guys have any questions, leave them down there and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Bye for now.